welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Xreal Air 2 Pros. I'm super pumped for these because I don't know about you, but I remember when the first AR glasses ever came out. I believe it's the Oculus brand, and they were only compatible with Android users, and at the time I was an iPhone user, which I still am. But now with these, all you need is a C adapter. Excited to check them out and let you know if they're worth the hype. So in the box here you get the AR glasses and a hard carrying case for protection. It also comes with the user guides that will tell you everything that you need to know in order to get started. Cleaning cloth. Be careful here because it comes with some nose grips, and I actually almost threw this page away thinking that there was nothing else. So looks like it comes with a couple of different size nose grips so that you can have the best comfort for whichever size nose you have. The same packaging that extra nose grips come on. A prescription lens add-on is also in there. Taking a look here in the carrying case. So here's the glasses. So it comes with a USB-C cord. Looks like it comes with a pair of nose grips already on it. And then here are the glasses. Looks like the protective lens for sun blocking is already on it, but you can take that off. You get a full HD experience of 4032 pixels per inch of crispy contrast and natural colors. Built-in surround sound. The arms on the glasses are adjustable. Another cool feature that I love about the Pro version is you get 3 levels of immersion that you can choose between. So you have 0%, 33%, and 100%. These glasses also come with a 3D mode. These glasses weigh less than a pound, just weighing 75 grams. You're probably thinking, how is it possible to fit all that technology into these wearable display tech? Well, these AR glasses actually don't have batteries. They run off of whatever device you are using to cast from, or if you pick up the beam tool for some additional visual options, then you can use that as an energy source. So it looks like the beam also comes with a C cord. These glasses do allow you to enjoy a 120-inch viewing screen without the beam attachment, but with the beam tool, it allows you to view a 330-inch IMAX style screen that is now more portable than ever. These glasses are also TUV Rhineland certified, so they are safe for your eyes.